Last night, everyone wanted to be Mira, but one accidental tap showed the whole world the truth.
No, please! This cannot be happening!
She wanted to be seen, but now everyone was watching the worst moment of her life.
I smell something here. Look who it is! How scary! Look who decided to show up again! The walking poverty problem! Don't you feel embarrassed wearing that to school?
She's not afraid of getting her clothes dirty, because her clothes are like rags.
Enough, Stella. Being rich doesn't give you the right to treat others like that. They're a good match. They should play together. How can you study when you bring a lunchbox with cheap snacks every day? I just want one day where I'm treated like I matter. You're not invisible, Mia. Maybe they don't see you, but I do. Hello? Yes, it's me. Could you please open the gate? I'm here.
Are you Mia? You're 5 minutes late. Remember to be on time next time.
You're late by 5 minutes. I'm sorry. The road was busy today. I'll be faster next time.
Very well. Here's the apron. To avoid getting your clothes dirty, you can wear it.
Okay.
Today you will clean the dressing room and the glass garden. The owner is away on business, but she could be back at any time. Don't touch anything that doesn't belong to you.
I understand. Place. It's like something from a movie. Just to see. Just for a second. I won't touch anything else. That must be the daughters. It's beautiful. No one will know. Tea, just a few seconds. Just once. I want to know what it feels like to live like this. Even if it's not real. No one knows me here, but maybe this version of me can be different. Why is it so loud? What is wrong with this thing? No, this can't be real. What's happening? Time for lunch. Hey, wait up! Over here. I'm gonna hit the gym. Stella, stop! Mia, cry all you want. Leave her alone. A little more expensive soda would make the pastries taste better. This would taste better with an expensive soda? Oh, it's even even more beautiful than I remember. I can't wait to try this on. Some people are born to shine.
Have you guys seen Mira's new post? She's literally perfect. Like, rich in a way you can't fake.
Oh wow, I see it. Mia, you've been disappearing after school a lot lately. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I just... Got a part-time job. Can you come with me for a bit? I just need help filming something simple.
Okay, I guess so. Mia, this isn't your house. What if someone comes back? Don't worry, it'll be fine. Try moving just a little to the left. No, keep the flowers in the frame. Move the camera up. Okay, like this? Perfect, start recording.
No, why does it look like that? The angle is terrible. What? Give it back. Do it again. People follow me because they want perfection, not something amateur. Okay? Again.
I saw you take this. Stop, Mia. I need to tell you something. What do you want, Kara? I don't have time for this. I came because I don't recognize you anymore. You're living off things that aren't yours.
So what? You came here to lecture me now?
No, I came because I miss the real Mia, the one who hated people like Stella. But now you sound exactly like her. What did you just say? Turn this off. This isn't you.
Ah! Don't touch my things!
No. No, this isn't possible. Now everyone sees it. I just wish they saw it sooner, before you destroyed yourself.
Look at her! She's so weird! What a loser!
Give the dress back to your boss, thief!
My name is Mia. I was the person behind the account Mira, the one everyone thought was a rich girl. I lied. I used things that didn't belong to me and a house that wasn't mine. And the worst, I hurt my best friend. I'm not here to ask you to forgive me right away. I just want to say sorry to you in person, not online. You're completely soaked. I think I deserve it. Being real doesn't always make people like you. Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Stories.